Can I bring a rucksack as both my carry-on and personal item on a flight?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing a common query for air travelers. Can you bring a rucksack as both your carry-on and personal item on a flight? This question often arises because of the ambiguity surrounding airline baggage rules. Let's break it down.
Understanding airline baggage rules.
Most airlines allow you to bring one carry-on bag and one personal item on board. The carry-on bag is typically stored in the overhead compartment, while the personal item is kept under the seat in front of you. Carry-on bag. Generally, it shouldn't exceed 22 by 14 by 9 inches, including handles and wheels. Personal item. Usually, it can be a small bag, laptop bag, purse, or briefcase, typically not exceeding 18 by 14 by 8 inches. However, these dimensions can vary depending on the airline, so it's always crucial to check the airline's baggage policy.
Can a rucksack be both?
The main question here is whether a rucksack or backpack can serve as both the carry-on and personal item. The answer is, it depends on the size of the rucksack and the airline's policy. If the rucksack is small enough to fit under the seat in front of you and meets the airline's size guidelines for a personal item, you can use it as your personal item. If it's larger but still within the carry-on size restrictions, it can be used as your carry-on bag. However, a single rucksack cannot be considered as both a carry-on and a personal item. These are two distinct categories, each with their own size restrictions, and you cannot merge them into one.
What if I need more space?
If you need more space, consider 1. Packing smart. Use packing cubes, roll clothes instead of folding, and bring only what's necessary. 2. Checking a bag. If your belongings can't fit in a carry-on and personal item, you might need to check a bag. This usually comes with additional cost and waiting time at baggage claim, but gives you more space. In conclusion, while a rucksack can be used as a carry-on or a personal item, it cannot serve as both at the same time. Be sure to measure your bags and check the specific airline's baggage policy before flying. And remember, a little bit of smart packing can go a long way. Safe travels, everyone!